truck. Welcome to the line at, it's around 6 or 7, somewhere between the two. And I hope you've had a most amazing day. And in this day, everything has gone your way and continues to go your way this day and each and every day, as I hope to inspire the desire in you to get outdoors and absorb some of nature's most wonderful healing frequencies that are always there for you and me to absorb and rejuvenate from the inside out. And I would like to take you for a little walk through the garden with me on this most beautiful evening. I have a few updates that I would love to share with everybody. One of those is right behind me, the most beautiful sago palm, and I'm so happy and eager to share a glimpse of that with you. So I hope you enjoy all of these beautiful nature frequencies with me. As I'm gonna run around and grab the camera, flip it around, and go on a walk with you through the garden and share some beautiful views with you. I'm hung on the trees. And I hope everyone's having a most beautiful evening. And before the day's end, you can get outdoors and zen, 'cause there's nothing quite like nature's vibrational frequencies. One of my little ongoing projects here, y'all. I'm not quite certain 100% how I'm going to proceed I have a fountain over here as well that goes along with that little project. So I don't know if I'm going to put it back together. I probably will. I just don't know the what, where, when, and how yet. It hasn't all come together in my mind. But for right now, she just looks so beautiful right here sitting in this little pot. Such a peaceful little spot in the garden for her right now. She's happy right there. That's something I'm so excited to share with everybody. Look, my little pineapple finally has sprouted a pineapple. I'm so happy and so very honored. It's my first pineapple, y'all. I've never grown an actual pineapple, and all I did was I just cut the top off of a pineapple that I had purchased at the store, and then I grew it, and now look, yay, it's producing another little pineapple for me. Oops, let me cowbell there. I knocked it with my head. Yeah. So happy. My little pineapple is producing for me. And this was my prior compost, but I'm so proud. I have tomatoes sprouting up everywhere, y'all. A little bit of everything grown in the compost pile there. Things so rich and vibrant. And we're going to step in here to show y'all. Look at that. The sago palm is so happy. And it's sprouting new leaves. I had to cut back all the old dead palms because over winter they just begin to rot. And so it's most beneficial and healthy to go ahead and remove the older fronds as it encourages the new growth. And so if you have a sago palm, just trim off all those old brown yucky branches. And look at that. Those beautiful new fronds. They're so soft too, y'all. So sweet. Look at all of them. So happy. Beautiful sago. Yeah. And all the little lovely flowers are back and in bloom. I'm waiting for the little bees to come and visit them. And the roses are just begun to bloom. They're full of buds. Full of buds that are just beginning to come. Yeah. So pretty. And the rosemary. I smell that rosemary. My favorite. Such my favorite, yeah. More of these beauties. And these, for those of you who do not know, are also a chia seed. And this is salvia. And this grows very abundantly. I will share some more about that with y'all. But yeah, there you are. This beautiful flower is what produces chia seeds. The chia seed flower, y'all. Look at these beautiful roses. Oh my gosh, they smell so wonderful. And beautiful. Beautiful indeed. So the little flowers are sprouting abundantly. It's that time. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gorgeous roses. They're beautiful. Avocados and mangoes. Everyone's doing happily well. Fruit trees are sprouting. Look at that. Happy in the garden. This is the first year that this one has been so abundantly full of blooms. It will have 1 or 2 blooms, but this year is just full of blooms. So happy. Look at these beauties. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Red amaryllis. A lot of the flowers are already closed up for the evening. But the aloes are in bloom. And so the aloe vera is very happy as well. I have some more over here that are fuller in bloom, I should say, to get to them. I don't want to spoil the surprise before it's too late. I'm so happy. I'll share that with y'all in a moment. And so, more flowers from the aloe vera. So the aloe veras are very happy. I love my aloes. And then I have another variety. Let me see over here. That's blooming as well. And then we'll come back this way. I'll share with y'all. And also a happy aloe. And for those of you before I go there, look, so happy. Look at the sprouts from the grapes. So the grapevine is sprouted out greatly, y'all. And so it will be draped in grapes before too long. But those of you who follow me know that I had serious issues with my dragon fruit this year. So while I wintered it this year, one of them came down with a very nasty type of rust disease. And this is the one that had that disease, and I had to cut it all back, y'all. I done research. There's different pesticides you can do, a variety of things, but it was recommended to just cut it back.
And so I did, and look how beautiful. All the new growth, all the new shoots, it's coming out. It's so bright and healthy. And so I'm so happy that it survived that nasty disease. And it's growing healthily again. It actually looks even more healthier than the one who did not catch the disease. And so I hope it doesn't slow down its production. It might speed its production up. We will see. We will see which one produces the most fruit and the most fastest, because they both have begun to bloom and produce for me. And so hopefully we will have some fruit soon. And these are some of the pieces that I had saved when I cut it back. Some of them are not surviving. They're still looking a little rough, but some of them are. And so if you do happen to have these issues going on with your dragon fruit, you can see it still on this one. See the little red spots? But it's not actually overtaking it and killing it, y'all. So don't get discouraged. It is very curable. It's not a death sentence for your dragon fruit. I was terrified. I thought my dragon fruit was going to die. And so, that being said, I hope everyone enjoyed this little garden tour with me. And I hope to inspire the desire in you to get outdoors and do some gardening chores this evening. Because there's nothing quite like those nature frequencies, y'all. And thank everyone for joining me for this little walk through my garden as I enjoy sharing my garden with you. And I hope to catch you on the next view, because I will keep you updated on my little pineapple and my sago palm, and of course my dragon fruit. I'm so pleased and so happy that it survived, y'all. I was so scared when I seen it. I was like, oh my gosh. I thought it was dead. I thought it had a death sentence when I seen it. And so if you happen to get into that dilemma, don't fret. Just cut those bad parts off, and your dragon fruit will spring right back. Actually, even healthier. Have a great evening, everyone. I'll see you on my next live. Much eternal love. Many eternal blessings.